At Truck Lenders USA, we understand you're financing more than a heavy-duty truck. You're running a business. Truck Lenders USA's dedicated team of finance professionals has helped companies in the transportation industry overcome business challenges during the up and down cycles. We provide heavy-duty truck loans plus operating finance leases for heavy-duty commercial trucks. Truck Lenders USA has expertise and experience with structuring flexibility to create solutions tailored to meet your needs. We offer a wide range of financing solutions designed to help your company grow and thrive. Give us a call at 877-233-1475 or visit us online at trucklendersusa.com.